Hey hustlers, want to make money online? Canva is your secret weapon. It's a design tool for everyone, even if you think you can't draw a straight line. With Canva, you can create stunning graphics, social media posts, and even marketing materials. No design degree needed. Think of Canva as your online design superhero. It's packed with easy-to-use tools and templates. You can create professional-looking designs in minutes. And the best part? You can turn those designs into cash. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a side hustle, Canva can empower you. It's time to unlock your creative potential and start earning. Are you ready to crush it? Let's go. Ready to dive in? In the next section, we'll explore Canva's features and how they can work for you. First things first, head over to canva.com. Signing up is a breeze. You can use your email or Facebook account. Canva offers both free and paid plans. The free plan is amazing for beginners. It gives you access to tons of templates and design elements. Once you're in, take a tour of the Canva interface. Don't worry, it's super intuitive. You'll see a dashboard with design options like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. Canva is all about simplicity. Choose a template that catches your eye. Canva has a massive library of templates for every occasion. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can always undo or start over. Now that you're familiar with Canva's layout, let's explore the awesome design features that will make you a pro in no time. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Canva is packed with features to make your designs pop. Think of it as your creative toolbox. First up, explore Canva's library of images, icons, and illustrations. You'll find everything from photos to graphics all ready to use. Next, check out Canva's text editor. You can choose from a variety of fonts, sizes, and styles to make your message stand out. Canva even offers pre-designed font pairings to make your designs look super professional. Don't forget about colors. Canva makes it easy to create stunning color palettes. You can use the color picker or choose from pre-made palettes to match your brand or style. These features are just the tip of the iceberg. Canva also offers elements like shapes, lines, and frames to add extra flair to your designs. In the next section, we'll walk through the steps of creating a winning design. Get ready to unleash your inner artist. Section 4. Creating a winning design, a step-by-step guide. Let's create your first Canva masterpiece. First, choose a template or start from scratch. Select the right dimensions for your project, like an Instagram post or a Facebook cover. Now, let's add some visuals. Browse Canva's library or upload your own images. Once you have your visuals, it's time to add text. Experiment with different fonts and sizes to make your message clear and engaging. Use Canva's alignment tools to make sure everything looks neat. Now let's add some personality. Play with colors, shapes, and icons to make your design unique. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things. Remember, you can always undo. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to download it. Canva offers various file formats to suit your needs. Congratulations, you're now a Canva designer. Now that you know how to create amazing designs, let's explore how to monetize your skills. Get ready to turn your passion into profit. Section 5. Turn your designs into dollars. Monetization magic. So you've mastered Canva. Now what? Time to turn those designs into cash. One way is by selling them online. Platforms like Etsy and Creative Market are perfect for selling digital products like social media templates, invitations, and more. Freelancing is another lucrative option. Many businesses need help with graphic design. Offer your Canva skills on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. You'll be surprised by the demand. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Build a following by showcasing your Canva creations. Offer design services or sell templates directly to your audience. These are just a few ways to monetize your Canva skills. Get creative and explore different avenues. Remember, consistency and quality are key to building a successful design business. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into specific Canva-based hustle ideas. Get ready to monetize your creativity. Section 6. Canva for every hustle. Explore your options. Canva isn't just for designers, it's a powerful tool for anyone looking to make money online. Let's explore some specific hustle ideas that leverage Canva's capabilities. Social Media Manager. Help businesses create engaging social media content. Use Canva to design eye-catching posts, stories, and even video thumbnails. Blogger or influencer. Create stunning visuals for your blog or social media feed. Canva can help you design Pinterest graphics, Instagram stories, and more. Etsy seller. Design and sell digital products like printable wall art, invitations, and planners. Canva makes it easy to create professional-looking products, resume and cover letter. Writer. Help job seekers stand out with professionally designed resumes and cover letters. Canva offers templates and design elements to make your clients' applications shine. These are just a few examples. The possibilities are endless with Canva. Think about your skills and interests, and find a way to monetize them using Canva's powerful design features. In the final section, we'll wrap up and empower you to start your Canva journey. Get ready to unleash your earning potential. Section 7. Ready, set, design, earn. Congratulations, you're now equipped with the knowledge to make money with Canva. Remember, success takes time and effort. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and keep honing your design skills. Start by exploring Canva's features and creating some designs for fun. Once you feel comfortable, explore different monetization options. Whether you choose to sell templates, offer freelance services, or build a social media following, consistency and quality are key. The online world is your oyster. Embrace your creativity, leverage Canva's power, and start building your dream side hustle today. Remember, you've got this. Now go out there and crush it.